What? Oh. Oh my! You are somehow transported to a helicopter. Oh no. It's one of the helicopters painted with complex murals depicting birds of prey diving. You don't know where you are going, and you don't know who is piloting the aircraft. But you have a feeling that you'll end up somewhere rather melancholic. This is bad. Bad. After blacking out, you come to inside what appears to be the dog park. You have no recollection of ever landing here, but you glance behind you to see the hooded figures watching. One of them gestures to a large portal, which is emitting a grayish light. You are extremely wary of it, since you have never seen gray light before. But at the same time, you are inexplicably drawn to it. You step silently forward, knowing not what lies ahead, nor what lies below your feet. You enter the gray circle of light.